Hello everybody and welcome to my shed. Well, why are you in my shed? Well, this winter I decided to tackle this project. I've built probably about 15 kit planes, and I've never built a scratch plane before, so I've decided to go ahead and build this Piper Seneca II twin engine airplane, and I thought I would let everybody in on it. So here we go. I just got the plans stuck up there so we could take a look at them real quick. I'm going to be making some changes on this. They got a lot of balsa. This whole thing is balsa, but that's the way we're going to do it. That's the way they have it, and that's the way we're going to do it. We're going to change the bell cranks. I'm going to put servos for each bell crank. I may do the flaps with one servo, but the throttle definitely and the ailerons definitely are going to have a servo just dedicated to them. But we're going to build this just like that plan says. So I got the plans about, I'd say about 4 or 5 days ago, and I've started a little bit on it. I've worked on a few of the wing ribs, some of the formers for the fuselage. In fact, I'm working on one right now, F-15. And we got some more of the wing ribs here done, some of the nacelle parts, and I went out last night to the local hobby shop and I bought some more wood. But this is where the mess is. Oh, what a mess. But nevertheless, this is my homemade disc sander. Kind of neat, actually. I had a motor sitting around the shed for a year or so. Variable speed. Used a dimmer kit. It works. It works. It works. But this is where it's going to happen. But let's get started. See where we're at here. What I did, like I said before, this is what I'm working on right now. I'm putting everything in bags because I don't know. I'm hoping to get this done in about 90 days. It's winter outside here in upstate New York, and actually it's a weird winter. It's actually about 40 degrees outside now and raining. But I'm hoping to have this done to fly this this season, this summer. But we'll see. Who knows? But this is the former I'm working on right now for the fuselage, F-15. What I did was I took two pieces, 4-inch, glued them together, butt jointed them. I'll show you how I do that. I'll build another one. I'll show you how I did that. But I was reading some articles online. I could buy the wood, the thickness and the width that I needed, but then I started reading about how balsa is made, and I was concerned about they say that the larger the wood goes because of the diameter of the tree, the edges, like if you get an 8 or 9 inch piece, the edges are very soft, punky, and that you'd be better off gluing couple 4-inch pieces together. You know, the glues we use now are so strong, I don't think it's going to be an issue. But this is where we're at. Got a few of the formers done. I've actually got the wing ribs, which are 1/8 inch balsa. W1's finished. 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I got 4 more to do on the wing. And maybe we'll start assembling some stuff. What else do we got? Yeah, the motors. Let's go with the motors real quick. They say 40 RC engine showing. Well, I've been on RC Universe and I've talked to a few people who have built these planes, and that's not going to cut it. I'm going to put 4 strokes in it, at least 70, 274 strokes at least, and probably order those in a month or so when we get to that point. But this is where we're at. We will be coming out here, well, often, if I'm going to try to get this done in 90 days. But we'll see. I'd like to try to fly it this year, but I don't know, being my first scratch build, I'll probably be spending more time on the internet figuring out what I'm doing than actually building, but we'll get it done. But kind of unorganized as it goes right now. Maybe I will lay out the parts that I've already got completed for you guys. I got some ailerons done, some of the formers for the fuselage, and a lot of the wing ribs. This is going to be quite a project. Let's see. That's about it for now, but we're going to try to scale this right out. Hey, make a nice airplane out of this one. I've been doing a lot of studying online about how to do raised panels and rivets and the whole 9 yards. So this is where it's all going to happen. There's a couple of my other ones I've got flopping around, but it's about 70 in here now. I'm going to get working on a couple more of these formers, and I'll be back to tell you how it went. I'm going to make probably 3 more formers today, and a couple more wing ribs, and we'll get putting it together. Kind of a boring little process, getting all the parts together, but that was my plan, to try to basically build a kit and then put my kit together. So I've already cut out most of the patterns. That was nice about the plans. They came with one sheet of all the formers for the fuselage, and one with the wing ribs, and the nacelle part. You can see the nacelle part back there. There's another one of the wing ribs we got to cut out. That's actually going to be 3/16. Most of them are 1/8 inch, but that's where we're at right now. So stay tuned. I will have a couple more of the formers done, and we'll be back with more action here in the shed. And hope you guys stay tuned and watch, and definitely leave some comments, because like I said, this is the first one I've done, and I don't, like I said, I built lots of kits, but I have never built a scratch build. So I know you guys have, so any help, any comments, I'd appreciate it. But I'm going to get back to working on some more of these fuselage formers. All right. We'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.